A blessed day para sa lahat ng ating top fan, top viewers. Like, share, comment. So for today's video, we'll be discussing the Seaway Shop Enterprise Mind Your Own Business today. This will be the Seaway Shop Business Presentation 2025. Mind ka ng mind online. Add to cart ng add to cart. Why not mind your own business today? Maging boss ka na ng sarili mong negosyo. No? So, for today's video mga mare, sino nga ba si CY Shop? Lagi kayong nandito sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon ipapakilala ko sa inyo, sino nga ba si CY Shop? Si CY Shop mga mare is a direct selling company. We have apparel, shoes, accessories, personal care products, and we are working through a network of sales agent na nagpo-promote ng aming products online through the power of e-commerce and affiliate marketing. So I founded Seaway Shop. I am Dr. Mary Rose Ramdagdag to provide an opportunity for thousands of people because I always believe na lahat tayo may potential, lahat tayo may kakayahan. It's just that sino ang magnanourish sa atin para mahanap yung kakayahan at potential natin na yon. And I always believe that entrepreneurship, business is one way to solve poverty. No? The dream of being financially secured is very attainable kapag nag-start tayo ng negosyo. So, I started Seaway Shop way back 2014. So, I set out the goal to build a business not only for me and my family, but to help other people na magsimula din ng kanilang business, ng kanilang negosyo. Kasi naniniwala ako na ikaw, ako, lahat tayo may kakayahan na maging isang negosyante. No, it is our gift. It's just a matter of choosing the right partner to nourish yung gift na yun. Diba? I always believe that we are all blessed. We are all blessed to be a blessing to other people. Some other are blessed financially. Some other people are blessed through knowledge. So ako, blessed ako through wisdom of God. So what do? I wanted to share with you guys the wisdom of God through entrepreneurship. So we are all blessed financially. So we can be also a blessing to other people. So yun yung mission ni Siwa. Yun yung vision ko. To have more and more people started their business, fulfill their potential, be financially free, and then they can help other people as well. Through that, we can have ripple effect kung ano yung mission and vision ni CY. Yun yung mission ko. Yun yung dharma ko. That is my ikigai. Alright? So, sino nga ba ako na kanina pa salita ng salita rito? So, I am Dr. Ram Dagdag, the owner and founder of CY Shop Worldwide Company, now CY Bioscience Corp. So, sobrang dami ng sangay, sobrang dami ng branches, departments ni CY Shop. And of course, the ambassador for humanitarian and entrepreneurship. So, we are not awarded that title for nothing, of course. We are here to be an ambassador for people na gustong magsimula ng negosyo, gustong ma-fulfill yung potential nila, gustong makita yung sarili nila bilang isang negosyante. So always remember that starting is your foundational key to success. I always got to say this na hindi ka naman makakapunta sa second floor, third floor, fourth floor, at fifth floor kung hindi ka hahakbang sa unang hakbang. Ganon din po sa negosyo. Kailangan nating simulan yung negosyo para makita natin ang tinatawag nilang growth, sustainability ng business mo. That is on the later part eh. Sobrang dami ng procrastination mo, sobrang dami ng gusto mong mangyari sa negosyo mo, sobrang dami ng ideas mo, sobrang creative mo sa pagpo-promote ng business mo. Unfortunately, you are afraid. Diba? Takot kang magsimula kasi baka ganito, baka hindi magtagumpay, baka mawala, baka ma-scam ako, baka sayang lang. Alam nyo, may scam ka ng sarili mong katamaran. Alam nyo ba yun mga mare? Kaya kailangan, pag magsimula ka ng negosyo, bigay mo 100% mo. No? Starting a business is easy, but maintaining it is not. Madaling magsimula ng negosyo, pero mahirap maging isang negosyante because it takes guts and glory talaga sa pagiging negosyante, no? It is very important that you are prepared. Physically, dapat healthy ka. Kailangan kapag magnenegosyo ka, you also mind your mental health, physical health, spiritual health. No, it's number 1 talaga. And your emotional health. Di kailangan ready ka physically, mentally, emotionally. You are prepared to be a successful entrepreneur. You are prepared to be a business owner. Kailangan ready ka eh. Hindi lang yan yung gusto ko magnegosyo, okay, all in tayo, ito yung pera. No, I do not want you to just start because it is the hype. I do not want you to start because it is the trend. No? Start because you have the guts, you have the calling to start your own business. Remember this, guys, pag nagsimula ka ng negosyo, pag may negosyo ka, lumalago yung business mo, kukuha ka ng employees and ng staff eh. And you become a blessing to these people. Kapag, syempre, pinapasahod mo sila, you care for them, nagiging blessings ka sa kanila. No? Kaya naniwala ako na kung makakagawa tayo ng mas maraming entrepreneur, maraming negosyante, we can also help more and more people. Diba? Kaya nga, starting your business is your foundational key to success. Kaya simulan mo na ngayon. Mag-message ka directly, mag-Zoom meeting tayo. Let me explain further kung paano nga ba makakatulong sa iyo yung business ko. 'Di ba? Baka ito na pala yung chance mo. Baka ito na pala yung opportunity na hinahantay mo na matagal na. Baka ako pala yung right business partner para sa iyo. You won't know it not unless you try, 'di ba? And of course, you can be your own boss. Definitely. Kapag nag-start ka ng business mo, you are the own boss. Pero teka lang. When we say you are the own boss, hawak mo oras mo, yes, but you will also the marketing, the sales, the production, the packaging at first, sa simula. Pero kung hindi mo lalawakan yung pangarap mo para sa negosyong sinisimulan mo, mananatili ka ron. Kaya kailangan kapag nag-start ka ng business, you also dream and aspire na lumaki yung negosyo. Lumago yung business na sisimulan natin. Alright? And of course, we don't want to see startup fail. That is the reason I created this CY business system for every entrepreneur na mas madali madali yung proseso para sa kanila. Paano naging madali? Alamin mo to. With CY Shop Worldwide Company, we are known as a game changer when it comes with business. Meron niyang sistema, and of course, active and passive income na pwede kang kumita kahit nasa bahay ka aside doon sa on-hand item mo. Bakit? Meron kasi kaming dropshipping system. Sell and earn. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng maraming puhunan para magnegosyo. No? And of course, mga mare, 20% ng profit mo napupunta pa yan sa charity programs. 20% ng profit ng company napupunta sa charity programs. It is not just business. It's more of community responsibilities. Diba? We are here, we are also earning, but then we wanted na tumulong. 20% ng profit mo napupunta sa AITA community, napupunta sa outreach program, napupunta sa mga AITA scholars natin. Ibig sabihin, nagnenegosyo ka na, kumikita ka na, nakakatulong ka pa. That is the power of ZYCSR programs through the years. FYI ko lang ang company natin, 11 years na po. With 11 years, you can see all the CSR programs, projects na meron kami. You can search that online. So maraming salamat sa mga hello sa ating mga live viewers dyan. Ayan, pwede po kayo makinig kung kayo interesado na mag-start ng business, ano? Of course, mga mare, CY Shop Foundation, on your every availment, you are making these people smile. And I would like to thank you personally for buying, for starting your business, for trusting us in starting your business, for trusting our team in helping you start your business. And apart from starting your business, nakakatulong rin po tayo, no? And of course, sobrang dami na ng hashtag taxi, hashtag CY Shop sa online. Search mo lang. Ayan, ano? And of course, sa CY system, kasama yan si CY Entrep Academy. Si CY Entrep Academy is part ni CY Shop na naglalayong makapagbigay ng libreng pag-aaral sa ating lahat. Master classes in entrepreneurship, digital marketing. Ngayon, ang ginawa ko dito, hindi na siya live via Zoom. Pero meron ka ng link na i-access, makikinig ka, mag-aaral ka. Syempre, meron pa rin tayong mga live Zoom meetings na ginagawa once a month. No, sa sobrang busy natin, di na natin nagagawang mag-Zoom everyday. Pero ang ginawa ko po, nag-record ako ng Masterclass in Entrepreneurship Digital Marketing na pwede mong i-access anytime, anywhere. Of course, continuous yung innovation when it comes with CY Entrep Academy, with foundation, with the system, with the dating dropshipping system, ngayon sell and buy method na, no? Kaya si CY Shop is a multi-awarded company. We're not just awarded here in the Philippines, mga mare, ha? We are a world-class achiever, world-class excellence awardee, and an Asia-Pacific Excellence Awardee. Kaya rin tayo napili bilang ambassador for humanitarian and entrepreneurship because of the business system na ginawa natin na naglalayong tumulong sa mga Pilipino. This is CY dropshipping system naman. Lalo na ngayon na sobrang init nasa Pilipinas, kailangan may extra income ka kahit nasa bahay ka lang, kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, with the inflation na sobrang taas ng ating mga ng bilihin. Ang taas ng bilihin, mga mare, kaya kailangan naman ngayon meron kang extra income kahit nasa bahay ka lang. This is CY Shop Dropshipping System. Sa CY Shop Dropshipping System, hindi mo kailangan mamuhunan ng sobrang dami dahil kami na ang bahala sa paninda mo. Ano yung ipopost mo, ano yung ibebenta mo. Kami na rin yung bahala mag-deliver niyan direct sa kliyente mo, sa customer mo. Wala kang gagawin, magpo-promote ka lang, magbebenta, magpapasok ng order sa system. Yan ay kapag ikaw ay CY Shop business partner. So aside dun sa on-hand items mo, pwede pa po kayong kumita through CY Shop dropshipping system. Of course, our official website is at cyshop.net. Yes, mga mare, punta ka na sa cyshop.net para mas marami kang makita at malaman tungkol kay CY Shop. So ano naman yung advantage kapag ikaw ay CY Shop distributor or CY Shop member? Ito po yung mga advantage. Pwede kang magpapalit ng non-moving items mo. Ibig sabihin, pwede ang exchange of non-moving items after a month na ikaw ay nag-avail. So wala kang stock na may stock, wala kang puhunan na matitenga. Ikalawa, may academy. Ito yung CY Entrep Academy na para sa paglago ng negosyo mo. May credit line tayo para sa mga pwedeng makonsignan ng items. Meron tayong credit line para sa pag-alalay sa business financial support. May tulong pangkabuhayan program para sa lahat ng members. May community tayo ng negosyanteng Pinoy na nakasuporta at nakaalalay sa'yo. May dropshipping system as another source of income mo. So, you post, we pack, we deliver. So, ganun lang tayo kasimple dito. Sa CY kasi, yung goal natin is yung business growth mo. Yun yung top priority. We are looking for CY major distributor na tutulungan ako naman na mag-serve sa ating mga reseller. That is why, guys, we are looking for business partners in Taiwan, Japan, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Korea, UAE, and other countries for as long as merong Pilipino na gustong magsimula ng kanilang negosyo. We are also looking for business partner in Oroquieta, Pagadian, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Lawag, Iloilo, Cagayan Valley, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Davao, Tarlac, Pampanga, Metro Manila, Quezon City, Batangas, Laguna, Las Piñas, La Union, Baguio, Pangasinan, Dagupan, Samar, Sorsogon, Iligan, Dau, Angeles, Tugigaraw, CDO, and Zamboanga. We are looking for business partners all over the world, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas. For as long as merong Pilipinong gustong magsimula ng negosyo, ng damitan at sapatusan kahit nasa bahay lang, pwedeng-pwede yan dahil tutulungan ka ni Ms. Ram at ng ZY Shop team para mapalago ang negosyong sisimulan mo ngayong 2025. Anong requirements? Mag-avail ka ng package natin, 2 valid ID, kailangan optimistic ka, kailangan talaga mga mare, ayoko ng nega, kailangan positive lang tayo dito. And someone who wants to become a successful entrepreneur, andito naman ako para gabayan ka eh. Nandito ako para tulungan ka. Ang problema lang, kapag hindi ka team player, alam mo kung bakit kailangan positive ka? Kasi hindi mo naman talaga ma-expect na perfect ang lahat ng bagay. 'Di ba? So, kailangan ready ka. Flexible ka. Kailangan talagang, oh, Miss Ram, ganito yung problema and here is the solution I wanted. Hindi yung sisi, yun ang mali ngayon sa mga, sa mga gusto magsimula ng negosyo. Minsan, kapag, for example, nagbayad sila, and then, hindi sila na-replyan agad. Alam nyo minsan, sobrang dami na ng sinabi. No? Kasi mga mare, it is very important for me, the mindset, the character, the attitude of a business partner. Because it will be hard for me na tulungan ka, turuan ka, dun sa goal natin, 'di ba? I-guide ka kung hindi naman we are not in line. I am looking for business partner who is in line with the goal. 'Di ba? Now, kanina narinig nyo ano yung mission ko, ano yung vision ko. If you are in line with the goals that I have, then let's go work together. If you are not, skip this part. 'Di ba? And of course, ano yung package naman na kailangan mong i-avail? So we are looking for provincial, city, and sub-franchisee. Provincial franchisee, syempre ikaw na yung magkikater sa buong probinsya. City franchisee sa buong city. Syempre kukuha ka kay provincial dyan. Sub-franchisees naman, ikaw ay kukuha sa city. Ganun yung sistema na binubuo ko. Clinose at sinut down namin ang aming warehouse. Bakit? Because we are now looking and expanding through the provincial, city, and sub-franchisee. Ang makakapunta at nakakapunta lang sa office namin, yung mga franchisee namin. No? Bakit? Kasi ang pinopromote ko na po, yung aking mga provincial, city, and sub-franchisee. No? So ito, damitan po ito, RTW packages, Miss Susan, ano? So kapag provincial franchisee ka naman, may instant reseller ka na dyan. Kapag city and sub-franchisee ka naman, sa'yo nakukuha yung mga city and sub-franchisee kapag ikaw ay aking provincial franchisee. May free phone ka pa na may FB page, FB group at TikTok account na nakaset up na. Kami na din yung bahala sa DTI business name registration mo. Pwede ka pang magpapalit ng items na hindi mo maibenta. At syempre, kasama na yung lugar mo or province mo sa marketing namin. So kapag in-avail mo ang aming provincial franchisee, 500,000 yan, pero ikaw na mismo ang magiging supplier sa mga reseller, sa mga city franchisee sa lugar mo. Instant to, mare, wala kang tatrabahuhin. Kami na ang magtatrabaho para sa'yo. May FB page ka na, may content ka na, may mag-guide na, may coach na. Lahat na po. No? Syempre, meron din tayong city franchisee, 150K naman. At sub-franchisee na, 25,000 pesos. Package A return of investment is at ROI at 60%. Sa 25K package B naman, ito po yung ROI natin. Kapag interesado ka, pwede mong ipa-send yung ROI or return on investment calculation kung magkaano nga ba yung pwede mong kitain sa capital mo na to, sa 500K, 150K at 25K. Open din tayo for one-on-one Zoom call or Zoom meeting para mas ma-discuss namin ano nga ba yung return on investment. Kasi nasabi ko naman na yung advantages, yun naman kapag nag-Zoom call naman tayo, nag-Zoom meeting tayo, ang pag-uusapan naman natin, yung return on investment. Open tayo 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mondays to Saturdays sa ating ZY Virtual Office. Meron po kami virtual office para dun sa mga customers na OFW at nasa ibang bansa para mas madali po silang maka-access sa atin, makapagtanong, ano? And at the same time, paano ka naman mag-a-avail? Sobrang simple lang nito, mga mare. You just need to choose the products, the package that you want to avail, whether it is RTW rebranding or t-shirt printing. You have to choose the variant scents that fits the taste. And of course, you can choose the brands and sizes for RTW package. Fill up the form. Pwede po kayo mag-fill up sa ating website at cyshop.net. Process payment. Yes, mga mare, payment first policy kami via bank, BDO and BPI only. Named after me, no? And of course, once the form is submitted, it will be lined up for the processing. Again, meron tayong virtual office that you can access. You can also go in directly sa ating office, no? Dito sa Imus, Cavite. Visit our website, mga mare. You can also be part of our growing company, of our growing family. Again, we are looking for provincial and city franchisee na tutulungan akong mag-distribute sa mga reseller para sa mga gustong maging supplier sa lugar nila, be part of our growing family at maging franchise partner na ni CY Shop. Damitan at sapatusan business na talaga namang patok na patok at swak na swak sa masa. Syempre, all year round ang ating damitan at sapatusan. Tutulungan ka namin na mailagay yan sa Shopee, TikTok at Lazada. Syempre, may DTI Business Name Registration Assistance na. Pwede ka pang magpapalit ng items na hindi mo maibenta. Kung interesado ka, pwede kang pumunta sa aming kumpanya, no guys? Pwede kang mag-drop by directly sa atin dito, guys. Now, we are located at Mauritius Commercial Building 163 Medicion 1D, Imus, Cavite. Doon po tayo located, mga mare, no? Pwede kayong magpunta. Again, that is Mauritius Commercial Building 163 Medicion 1D, Imus, Cavite. Paano naman daw maging city supplier, Maru? Ayan, pwede kang mag-message sa akin directly para makapag one-on-one Zoom call tayo, no? Sabihin mo lang saan yung target area mo para ma-check muna natin sa system kung available ba ang area of your target. Again, mga mare, hindi po kami nagdo-double up. Kung ikaw lamang ang provincial doon sa target mo na area mo, ikaw lamang yon. Kasi kailangan nga 100% committed ka. Kasi ako na maghahanap ng reseller para sa iyo. Yung mga reseller natin dun sa target area mo, sa iyo nakukuha. Wala ka nang gagawin dito. 'Di ba? Of course, mga mare, kagaya ng palagi kong sinasabi, being a business owner is not for everyone. Pero kung may passion ka, may solido kang plano, you can be a successful one. So sa lahat ng interesadong maging provincial at city franchisee namin, mag-message ka lang directly at mag-send tayo ng appointment for one-on-one Zoom call. No, mag one-on-one Zoom meeting na po tayo para tayo ay makapag-go na at makapag-avail ka na at maging provincial city franchisee na namin sa iyong lugar. Again, we are looking for business partners in Taiwan, Japan, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Korea, UAE, and other countries. Of course, we are looking for business partners din dito sa Pilipinas, sa Oroquieta, Pagadian, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Lawag, Iloilo, Cagayan Valley, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Davao, Tarlac, Pampanga, Metro Manila, Quezon City, Batangas, Laguna, Las Piñas, La Union, Baguio, Pangasinan, Dagupan, Samar, Sorsogon, Iligan, Dao, Angeles, Sugigaraw, CDO, and Zamboanga. Naghahanap kami ng mga gustong magkaroon ng damitan at sapatusan business through CY Shop. Ikaw na ang magiging supplier sa mga reseller sa lugar mo kapag ikaw ay provincial or city franchisee partner ni CY Shop Worldwide Company. So, kung interesado ka, alam mo nang gagawin mo, mag-message ka lang directly, set tayo ng one-on-one Zoom call para ma-discuss namin ang return on investment at makapagsimula ka na ng negosyong panalong-panalo. Again, kapag ikaw ay business partner ni CY Shop, pwede kang magpapalit ng items na, na hindi mo maibenta. So, wala kang stock na may stock. Wala ka talagang puhunan na matitenga dito sa deal na to, mga mare. Panalong-panalo talaga. Kaya kung interesado ka, mag-message ka lang directly. Again, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag. May you have a good day, guys. And God bless us all. Thank